Yeah. Hey, it's a getting a girl's number with a flip phone part two. Is it crazy to watch part two without watching part one, bro? Maybe we gonna watch part one later, bro. Let's just get this one through, you hear me? Let go.
Hey, you see that right there? Hey, look. Pay 10, you ride 8 seconds, you win $200. So I'm gonna ride it, bro. Is it hard though?
It's a challenge.
Have you did it?
Say hey to my smell.
What's up with it, Snell?
I'm just that fan.
What's up with it? Have you did it before?
Have I done it? I'm just the assistant. I'm just covering for the boss today.
Can you give me change for 20 for one ride?
Here you go. I'm a little nervous, so you gotta.
I need your sign right here.
Right here?
Yep.
D.
Hey, ride the hell out of it.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name's Duke.
Duke, calling him D-Block apparently.
Yeah.
He's going for the $200 challenge. On camera, on all. It's gonna be on YouTube. Sir, you gotta get on there and find out for yourself. Get on up there, D. Alrighty now, young man, 8 seconds, one hand only. Can't touch or grab the bull. Oh, he ain't smiling no more. You ready? All those dumb bulls. Here we go. We got D. We got Willie. We got Willie. We got D. Oh man, sir. That was 6.7 seconds, sir. I think we got a phone somewhere Willie took. Now he'll get it on his way, sir. That's a secondary phone. I can tell what it is. Don't forget the trap phone, D. How it going, sir? Thank you so much. Well, I'm gonna be on YouTube now.
Really ride that motherfucker. You want that, bro?
Honey, says he's gotta help his friends get those seats. More cheese and gold.
All right, bro. Go ahead, bro.
All right, Jabo.
Hey, it's one
8
hand,
seconds,
though.
one hand.
One
Don't
hand,
touch or grab the bull, sir. Let me get myself ready. You ready? Yeah. Here we go. Oh no, David, no. 4 seconds flat, sir.
Hey,
But your dreads look great flying in the wind.
Bro. Oh, my mama, she cheating, bro.
You smell good.
Hey, she was my picture got messed up.
We can do that, though.
Yo.
Let me get the cup.
Get the cup.
Okay. Keisha, that's
Hold on.
Well, run that shit back. Why are you spazzing for?
Yeah, I know. Which one you looking at?
8 seconds, sir. Getting close, too close. Look at Willie shaking. Good job.
What you think, man? Think I should do it again, man? That's $10,
That
though.
shit scam, ain't gonna lie. Hey, shit, you got it. Shit, you got it.
No, I ain't got it. I really want to do it. You gotta think it's a profit, though. You gotta think it's a profit. I done spent 20.
Yeah.
If I spend 30, that's a goddamn $107 profit. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We got
Yeah.
D-Block coming back on stage. Mighty D-Block.
Yo. Oh, yeah. Let's get it.
Tell me when you're ready. You ready?
Hey, just don't flip me that
You
way.
sure you ready? Alrighty, here we go. Oh man, he left D-Block. We love and appreciate you, sir. Don't forget the trap phone. I think one went that way. Don't forget the sneakers. He wanted to make sure the kicks got shown today.
God damn.
Fuck in the mic.
2 hands, though, I get that, though. Like, 2 hands, I get that easy. Like, she really cheated me, though, like, type shit. That's all. I ain't tripping. Man, you think I'm tripping, man, on some shit like that, man? I'm tripping, though. I ain't. What you say, bro?
Bro, you got me all the girls. You got me all the Riz, I swear.
You ain't got no
You the Riz
bro.
guy, bro.
Hey, I put all the girls is doing this. I put all of them. I gotta go. I'm dead serious.
You got me all the girls. Where it go? Hey, dude. Hey, can I get your Gmail? Can I get your Gmail?
nigga
Gmail,
cheese,
please.
man.
Can I do an interview with you?
Interview?
Yeah. Don't go ahead today. Yeah, the duck on your face.
Great.
What's the freakiest thing you ever did?
What?
What's the freakiest thing you ever did?
I ain't had. Hold on, how old you in, man?
15.
Nope. Oh no. Hey, you don't need to be talking about that type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit, real quick. Oh, real quick. Alright, hold on. Yo, for going up, ain't it? I ain't used one of these. What's up, bro? What's up? I ain't used one of these. Oh, but look though, no account, right? Look who third.
Okay.
Look who third. No account now. Yes, sir. Look who third. Hey, hold on. But that boy Duke did it. You know what I'm saying? Yes, ma'am. That boy Duke did it. But hell yeah, make sure y'all go subscribe. Don't do this, man.
Y'all are a gang of beautiful men.
Damn. You beautiful.
I know, but I just needed to be amongst some beautiful men.
Oh yeah?
No, for real.
Too bad you ain't looking for a boyfriend right now.
You guys
Oh, you want my...
smile.
Open up your IG. You know what? I would give you my number, but I don't give my number out like
You
that.
don't have to.
Yeah.
I don't either.
Oh yeah?
No. What's your name?
Hold on. Cigarette crazy. Oh shit!
I didn't see that coming. Holy shit!
Got him. Everyone saw that I got him, right?
I was
Come back.
And then
Where'd he go?
I'm so
Hey man, y'all done dropped the fucking cat, man. That's crazy. Well, you know you look like what? The baby. Yup. Yup. Okay, do you have a boyfriend?
I don't.
Really?
I don't. Next.
Next question. You looking for one?
No.
Okay, then that's a great question. You looking to get? Are you looking to get to know somebody though?
No, not really.
Oh yeah.
Not really. I'm just chilling right now.
Ready to go home?
I'm ready to go home.
I like your. I mean to be leaning on you.
I know. She get it right away because she got heels on.
Listen, I can have your number, man.
What's your name? He got a flip phone.
803?
Y'all know who the fuck this is? Tight shit, but hey man, I need to drop the Hellcat.
Cut it, man. Cut this nigga, man.
Tight shit. Hey. Tight shit. Too many fiends.
Hey.
Ready.
Don't tell my boy Big D about shit, man.
Big D block. Oh, I ain't finna pull that out, but you know what's going on. Whole lot of D block. The big drop. That's so funny, man. I got a whole ass slip on.
Hold on. Don't laugh at my dog, though.
I told him I'm in between phones right now.
Can we take a picture together? Come here, man.
Hold on. I'm in between phones right now.
Hold on, what's your name?
My name Duke. What's yours? Hey, hold on. I really would get your number, but I ain't want to.
You can't have my number. I want 2 minutes off.
Hold on. I got 2 jobs.
I got 2 jobs too.
Yeah.
That's what
You got 5. This count. You chat right now, man.
yeah, you see fuck. I'm dead ass serious. I'm a mama, I'm a daughter.
Yeah? You know, I really love this blue on you, though. Fuck you. Fuck him or fuck me?
Yeah, fuck blue.
Oh, fuck you. Man.
Not playing color red.
You're also
What's up, man? Let me get your number, man. Let me get your number, man.
Oh, damn, because they've been
Get your number, man.
You got a flip phone? I bet you dead. bullshit.
You motherfucker.
That's some bullshit.
What's up? What's up with you, son? What's up with you? How you doing?
The old man ain't doing well.
Why you say that?
He ain't good to be in the streets, man. I'm talking to the kings now.
Of course. I can't.
Me and my wife sitting right over there. I've been sitting there for the last 3 to 4 days.
Oh, yeah? I got about
every damn dime we can get.
I got about 40. Hey, I got $40 for you right here, young sir.
Yes,
Hey, look, I know it ain't much, but hey, look, that's an investment right there.
It is a blessing.
It's an investment right there.
Wait a minute. How old do you think I am, young man?
51, 52.
Never see that again.
Huh?
I was born April 24th, 1940.
1940. God damn, you about 73.
Hey.
82.
82. You look good as fuck, boy.
Yeah.
You look good.
You're 90s. Don't break my shit, man.
You healthy, but this nigga a Forsure, nigga. What the fuck? This nigga belongs in a museum. He got stories for days. Nah, what the fuck? He old as shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Boy, that's cap. Boy, you look too good to be 80-something, man.
My youngest child is 34. My oldest is 53.
If you 80-something, man, I would be blessed to look like you when I get 80-something.
Yeah,
you look good, boy. I'm telling you, man, you look good. Hey. Ghetto like nigga, you know what I'm saying? Like, this would be a good advice point of view. Just chatting, man. Hell yeah, like nigga, goddamn, so boom, nigga, I'm texting her phone, nigga, she ain't answering. It's 3 in the morning. But she was just on IG Live. And goddamn it said she was acting. I seen the green bubble beside her. Nigga, bitch text me earlier the next morning talking about I fell asleep. Bitch! You fell asleep? Hold on.
This bitch done went through my messages, my goddamn photos. When she seen that curve, though, she done got that curve. This nigga cute. Hold on. Left side.
Hold on. A bitch, they had some bitches over here last night. The bitch done went through his phone and seen the dick pic.
Head spin. I got 6 jobs. I don't get tired. I got 6 jobs. I don't get tired. I got 6 jobs. I don't get tired. I was trying to pull up. Head spin. Chicken get gone. I got 8 jobs. I don't get tired. I don't get tired. I don't get tired. I was trying to pull up. Head spin. Yo, where the sound at?
She was. hey, I can vouch for that, man. She was not trying to leave after that right there, man. And get what she told her friends, Q. Y'all can go. I got my own car. Yeah, she said, y'all can go. I got my own car. Whole time I'm wondering, damn, Q raising her ass up. Wrong. She seen a dick pic in his phone. That's tough.
Hey, I was reasoning though, like the whole time I'm talking to her and shit, and then she went through my phone on her own shit. So I'm like, oh well shit, bitch. Whole time I was expecting her to see the dick pic, but I'm like, why is she goddamn going through my phone, like my messages, and then the bitch talking about, oh, you sell weed, all type of shit. I was like, this nigga said my heart beat.
My heart, bro, this nigga, bro, hold on, bro, what the fuck, bro? Bro, this nigga said my heartbeat was going through my dick one day, so I recorded it and sent it to him. Oh my God, this nigga out here just sitting on me. Boy, do y'all know how much of a straight face this nigga just had there? Bro, this nigga said my heartbeat was going through my dick one day, so I recorded it and sent it to him. Oh my God, this nigga out here just sitting on me. Boy, do y'all know how much of a straight face this nigga just had there?
I felt private stories.
You know what? way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. What's good?
What's up with you, my boy?
Oh, shit. Yes, sir. That boy, dude. Hey, that nigga Duke out here. Hey, ain't no way, boy.
I still good? You know what, you still good too, though.
He's not about to run. No, that's the old school thing.
No, I'm just saying, like, she's still good. Hey, look. I ain't too young. I'm gonna let you know. I ain't no youngin' out here.
Oh, okay. I'm 40.
I'm 28. I ain't too far.
Right now, I'm yes.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, you better go ahead and hold me. I am a grown man, ma'am.
Yes, you're certified.
Yes, ma'am.
What are you looking for?
My phone. What's your name though? Mo? My name Duke.
I feel so bad. That's my nephew.
Look, I'm 28.
Oh, is he recording this? Hey!
Whatever.
What? He get my number?
No. Hey, you know what? Y'all definitely, you know what? Really? No. I'm saying, like,
Brandon, you gonna let him run his wrist on my aunt? He's running his wrist on my aunt. He's running his wrist on my aunt.
What is he talking about right now? You just say he's running Riz on my mom? Come on, man. Come on. Chill.
Hold on. You see right here? Oh, you got an Android. Look, I'm gonna test you. This is me right here. See, you hear me? This is me right here. My name Duke. Nice to meet you. Yes, ma'am, you too.
What the rest of the AMP crew at?
Oh, God, you didn't have to duck.
Yeah, come on, take a picture right now.
I bet. Okay. What's your name?
Oh my God, am I
My name Duke.
Oh my God, your pizza free. I'm good. I'm Victoria.
Victoria.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all from out here though?
No, we from Virginia.
Y'all go about 6 hours?
4.
Yes, I heard 6 hours. Hey, man.
6, well, it depends on what part. I'm from Southern Virginia.
Oh, yeah?
So that kind of, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, like she got 6.
Nah. Hey, it's going down. That shit out there. It's going down in there. You hear me?
Oh my God,
Hey, don't do. Matter of fact, hey, come here, man. Get your number or something, man. Get your number or something, man, with this right here, right here.
Boy, what?
Oh, what? You gonna?
I'm sorry. I don't care.
Yeah.
Is that
Okay.
though? I don't care.
Yeah.
It doesn't
Okay.
matter to me. Dude, that's not your phone. That's not your phone. Shouldn't even light up when you flip it. You're just typing in randomly.
I know my number by heart.
Did the flip phone really work? That's not even C.
Oh, no. See, that's my, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I was just making sure.
I'm about to say
because I pulled, it was dead. So like I had to, I don't know, shit, I got my other phone with me type shit.
Yeah, my brother, he is.
That's why I was there cool this morning. Hey, nice to meet y'all, man. Y'all have a good night.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, ma'am. You have a great night, too. Yes, ma'am. Yep, see, I told you. It definitely was gonna work, man. You see, hey, it was dead at first, and I was like, tight shit, it's gonna work, so this still count, low-key.
Bro, that motherfucking bullshit, you hear me? No, we not. I'm from Raleigh, bro. 100 block. Raleigh, niggas, man. Come on, WG and shit. We from the Bull City, Durham, North Carolina, you hear me? No cap.
Well, that's a whole
North Kelly.
orange shirt right there. My brother got a shirt. This nigga got a Akatsuki collared shirt on. That motherfucker hard, man.
I'm so fucking good.
Yeah. I ain't nobody. I just brought the camera. That's good.
Oh, he's somebody. I don't know. Who is it? Everybody did it. You got a phone line. I don't know you, but I want to be like.
You're not. I just bought the camera because I know
Okay, so you do
motherfuckers like the
YouTube.
camera.
What kind of like videos you do?
See, I just started like last month.
What you do though? Like them videos they be like, hey, you cheating on your
No.
nigga?
I just be doing random shit.
Oh, like what though?
Whatever I want to do.
Well, fuck it, you tell me.
Like if I want to go ride a horse or some shit, then
Well,
I'll
let's
do
go
that.
ride a horse.
Where you from though?
Virginia.
See, what the fuck is... What's up with everybody being from Virginia? Like,
I'm from Richmond. I don't know where the fuck the rest of these bitches is from, but I'm from Richmond.
shit, I ain't never been to Virginia.
Okay, put my snap in. Put my snap in. Put that on the YouTube.
I don't got Snap. I stopped using that shit.
What the fuck you got then? You finna hit me with them. You ain't gonna do me like that.
I know you ain't gonna do me like that.
Alright, fuck it. What's your number? Let me see.
Dude, I want to talk about person.
I don't know. Shit, let me see. I'm being real. I ain't want you for the clout. I want to know who you is.
And I'm trying to get to.
Alright, come on. Let me see the track. Fuck it.
Yeah, I'll get it after.
Real tight.
Oh, real tight. Okay, I got you. I'm already knowing what this shit going. What the fuck going on, nigga?
I need my TikTok to blow up.
Excuse me? What's your name? Jay?
Oh, we already.
My name Duke. Nice to meet you. Where you from? Columbia. I'm from Greenville, man. I fuck with your hair, man. I've been trying to find Davo the whole time, man. I'm trying to find Davo. Where the fuck the nigga at, man?
Damn! Everybody knows that shit.
So why you come up to me on it? You know what I'm saying?
I just wanted to.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Fuck you, man. You know what I'm saying? Ready? I wouldn't let her talk to you like that, man. Me personally? No, I'm talking about dog. Me personally, I won't let nobody talk to me like that. I'm just saying, me personally, I won't let shit like that go down. But then again, like, that ain't me, and that ain't none of my business, really.
Got me running down the fucking beach.
Wait, no motherfucker. Let's take a picture. Though.
All right, come on.
Yes,
No cap. I'm over here sweating this shit looking for you. Deja.
Yo, you right. You damn right.
Who the what?
Wait, no motherfucking way. Take my North Carolina.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, big dog shit. Big dog shit.
Hey, yeah, come get this motherfucker from me. Stop motherfucking playing with me. Stop motherfucking.
Wherever North Carolina, wherever you from, I want to be from the same motherfucking place, man.
You do?
I want to be from the same
You
motherfucking
do?
place, man.
Give me a hug.
They wildin', bro.
My nigga right here. Come take him from me.
Hey, you know what?
They spazzing.
You know what?
Come take him from me.
You know what?
Come take him from me.
We together from here on out.
Yo, we together.
Yeah.
Come take him from me.
What's his name?
Come take him from me. Come take him from me.
Hey, our anniversary is May 28th.
May 28th.
Our anniversary is May 28th.
Boy, ain't no motherfucking way, boy.
That's our anniversary right there, man.
Hey.
Yeah. Look at Dave and the bros in the back. Yeah, you know he with the horse. Yeah, they are.
I told these hoes that's my nigga. He said when our anniversary.
May 28th.
That's today. Yo.
Damn, nigga. About time, nigga. I been looking for y'all, boy. What we got stepped on, bro?
Man, listen, everybody be like, what the fuck do you care? I'm like, that nigga do it here.
I like your birth party. I love it. Yeah, I'm locked in, bro.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. That motherfucker move. I ain't gonna lie. That motherfucker move. I swear to God.
Okay.
Yeah, that motherfucker move, brother. You can say hey to my
How y'all doing?
Yeah, for sure.
They scared. I ain't scared.
Oh yeah, I'm already knowing you ain't scared. Yeah. Okay. Hey, fellas, look, I swear to God, fellas. Hey, she ain't got no drawers on either. I can feel it. I can feel all of this right here. Like she ain't got no drawers on, fellas. Hey, but I ain't gonna lie, I've been doing the same motherfucker.
Yo! TMI, bro. TMI, T up. T up, dude. That's TMI, yo. You just. Nigga.
Hold on, what we on YouTube? What we talking about?
I don't know what the fuck you talking about.
I ain't got no diamonds and shit like he do. Damn, what we on YouTube?
Yeah, you going on there? Say something right now.
That's good shit.
Damn, I'm broke.
Hey, shout out Big 25, man. Yeah, we got this bitch with goddamn Duke, man. We gotta turn up on this trip.
Hey, no, I do got something.
I'm telling you.
Hey, look. Hey, listen. Since the governor of Florida is my daddy, I'm putting it on camera. Come here. All right. Hey, look. Free gas card whenever you go to Florida. All right? What's your name? John. John? Hey, congratulations. Free gas card.
I came with a cushion shit over there. I saw that. He got us from in. Bye. I'm sorry I went right now. You already know I was coming for. Hey, girl. Thank you. I know I look bad right now, but one day we're gonna get married. I promise. I promise you. I promise you. Alright, let me tell you one. I love you so much. Like, so much. Like, you're really my wallpaper. It's so bad, girl. Hey, come on, bitch. Hold on, wait a minute. Let me get inside. Come on. Wait, Anthony. Somebody gonna take a picture. Hold on, bitch. Hold on. He can't see all. He can't see all bad. Go ahead, please. Take it.
I don't know what's going on right now. I did it. But hey, appreciate y'all. Yeah, I want you in too.
Y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Hey, no problem, man. Nice to meet you, Miss Deborah. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I'll get you first, then, baby.
Hit me up.
Hit you up on Facebook, Deborah B. Jones. I got Facebook, so I'm gonna hit you up. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Did you get it? Okay, can I get this?
Yeah, my bad, I was bored. Alright, man. My bad.
That shit made me.
This shit right
Why all the
here is gonna be a bang.
Look at the bounce in the back. And they like, damn, this nigga. And then big got all the hogs in there. That's funny as hell.
I ain't mean to hold you up. Hey, now you good. That jersey hard as fuck. Yeah. Are we right here?
Appreciate that, bro. You trying to 1v1?
Hell nah.
Why not? Hey, man, I don't see you hit the flip before. I see you tomorrow. We gonna hit one of them.
Oh, yeah? I ain't even gonna be here tomorrow, gang. So hold on. You can bet, man?
What's up?
You can.
What's up?
Oh, God.
What is it?
You got right slides right now.
I'll take the slides. I'll get the slides right now. Oh, God. You gotta do that shit with me.
No.
Do that for you?
Yeah.
No, get you. I ain't gonna
No.
What's up?
Yeah, I just want to. I don't
bust my ass in front of all these people. I still don't give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck with you. Whatever you feel most comfortable with. So, hey, my dog is finna do.
Only because I seen him do that shit on the video.
Oh, yeah. Type shit.
On the football shit. And this shit slippery. If I bust my ass, I don't give a fuck. Hey, yo, I can do that.
Hold on. Take off your hat, bro. Your shit look good.
This shit ain't going up there, bro.
Turn it on, what?
Hey, yo.
Hey, that was nice, man.
What's up?
Do that shit.
I will hold it. Clear the street.
Oh, yeah, grandma, have you on video?
It's in good. Let's be a thing, man. It's in good. Backflip, yeah. And the dunks.
Oh, shit. What is that, boy? Is the time?
Almost almost busted his shit trying to play. Man, need help. No. Not no weird shit. I know they say no weird shit, but like, I ain't gonna lie.
Yes, it is. No,
That's an 0100?
I ain't know what the fuck you was talking about though.
Hell yeah. But it's a 24-hour clock. That's all.
Yes, sir. Man, that red shit is crazy. Nah, that shit is crazy.
I got you. Hey, you gonna know who shot that shit. That's my slogan.
Oh yeah?
You know who shot that shit.
Well, I'm gonna use one of them as my profile picture.
And I ain't gonna count. Everything that y'all just seen is for entertainment purposes only, bro. I really don't be raising motherfuckers' mamas up. And to be honest, bro, for all the TikTok people that be posting me, bro, stop saying Duke can't be stopped. Duke is unmatched. Stop saying all that shit, bro. I am a regular ass nigga, bro. Alright, fellas. With that being said, man, I love all y'all still, though. Love all y'all. Love all the females who starting to support me, starting to watch me and things of that nature right there, man. With that being said, man, 2 mil is on the motherfucking way, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm out, man.
The bigger drop. Hey, like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all on the next.